Hello, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Kelly Casper, and I am the Executive Director for the Certified Safety Specialist Apprenticeship Program, or CSSAP for short. Today, I aim to walk you through the benefits of utilizing the apprenticeship model to quickly return valuable injured workers back to work. After all, even with the strongest safety program, workers can be injured on the job. Luckily, most workers will recover from the injury and return to work. You probably already know, workers who return to work sooner tend to recover quicker, both physically and psychologically. Unfortunately, some workers are not able to return to their job of injury. Physical limitations that may be temporary or permanent in nature have limited their ability to perform the tasks of their previous position. So how do you, as the employer, bring them back to work in a safe and timely manner? Well, you have several options. First, valuable employees can be brought back to work through modified, temporary, or an alternative permanent position. This determination is usually made through a collective assessment involving the medical doctors and the employer. Second, the state of Washington offers incentive programs like the Stay at Work and Preferred Worker programs. These programs have financial incentives in place to assist both you as the employer and the injured worker with returning to work. These programs have the potential to save your organization a significant amount of money and help the injured worker recover more quickly. So, now you may be asking how the apprenticeship model can help. Early in the development of the CSSAP program, we recognize that roughly 50% of the students enrolled in the occupational safety and health courses were seeking vocational retraining. We began discussions around an idea that if these same workers had enrolled in the CSSAP, they could take the same classes online and potentially return to work with the same employer. For the employer, this meant decreased cost and claims, decreased time loss, and continued utilization of the employee. To the employee, this meant continued employment, financial stability, further development of safety through real-life on-the-job training, and could potentially expedite healing both physically and psychologically. Further discussions led to exploration of other apprenticeships outside of the CSSAP that may also provide alternative training in a less physically demanding vocation within the construction industry. After reviewing many of the apprenticeship programs that were directly or indirectly related to the construction industry, we identified 6 apprenticeship programs with inherently lighter physical demands. These apprenticeship programs may also be viable options for an injured worker to return to work quicker within an organization. The apprenticeship programs that were identified included our program, the Certified Safety Specialist Apprenticeship Program, the IT Apprenti, Washington Construction Teamsters Apprenticeship Program, Construction Industry Training Council's Equipment Operator, Painting Apprenticeship, and HVAC Apprenticeship programs. So follow us to the next video to learn how your company can begin utilizing these apprenticeship programs.